Hi all, welcome back to the KASHE channel. I am Ratna Kishore and today I am going to show you something very useful. How we can take any video and convert the audio in that video into text using Python. In this video we will learn how to extract audio from a video, how to use AI to convert the audio to text, how to get timestamps for each sentence, how to save everything in a neat Excel-like format. And this process involves two steps. The first one is conversion of video to audio, which can be done by an audio extractor. And the second step is extracting text from the audio by using a transcriber. We can use this process for the applications like creating subtitles for a video, converting video lecture into notes, creating blog posts from video content, making our content searchable. Before start coding, make sure you have following: Python installed on your computer, a video file that you want to transcribe, basic understanding of the Python. First, we need to install some libraries. To do that, open your command prompt or terminal and type pip install MoviePy Whisper OpenAI Pandas. Let me explain what each library does. MoviePy helps us work with video files and extract audio. Whisper is a OpenAI AI model that converts the speech to text. And the third one helps us to organize our data into a table format called data frame. Now these are the steps required to perform video transcription. First, we need to import the required libraries. Next, we have to define the input video path and a path for saving the audio file. And then extract audio from the video. Finally, obtain the transcription of the audio and save the transcription. Now let's start coding. For coding, I am using the Google Colab notebook. First, let me install the required libraries. For that, here I am using pip command. Here Q indicates quiet, U indicates the upgraded version of these libraries. Now we import all the three libraries. These three imports give us all the power we need. Next, we define where our files are located. Video path is the location of our video file, and audio path is where we will save the extracted audio. Make sure to change these paths according to your file locations. Now comes the interesting part: extracting audio from video. What is happening here? Here the first line loads our video into memory as MoviePy's video file clip object. Second line extracts only the audio part and saves it as MP3 file. Next we load the Whisper AI model. Whisper has different model sizes: tiny, base, small, medium and large. We are using base because it gives good accuracy and reasonable speed. For Indian languages like Hindi, you can try small or medium models. Next, for the magic part, converting speech to text. The transcribe method does all the heavy lifting. It analyzes the audio and converts the speech to text. The result contains not just the text but also timing information for each sentence. Finally, we organize our transcription data. First, I am taking an empty list. So by using this list, we are going to create a list of dictionaries where each dictionary contains start time of the sentence, end time of the sentence, the actual sentence spoken. For that I am using a for loop. This for loop runs for all the segments available in that segment subject. For every segment, the start time, end time and the sentence spoken are loaded into start, end and text variables respectively. And then we are creating a dictionary by using these three variables, and then we are appending that dictionary into our list. And then we are going to create a data frame from that list of dictionaries by using the pandas data frame function. Then a data frame is created, which is having the start time, end time and the text as columns. So that's it. We have successfully learned to convert any video to text by using Python. This technique can save hours of manual transcription work. Thank you.